Good evening, everyone. Welcome to FM1 Tuition. Today's topic is negative numbers. Alright, so previously, if you were to do adding or subtracting positive numbers, you'll start off with a number line from 0 going towards the right, and all you do is just add the numbers on or subtract the numbers using the number line. With negative numbers, the same thing applies. You just draw another line towards the left, -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Don't forget to add the minus sign to represent the negative number. What exactly is a negative number? A negative number is any number below 0, so it doesn't include 0, any real number below 0. So all these numbers is a negative number. Let's start off quite simple. So let's move this up. Get some pen ready. Okay, let's give you a few examples using positive numbers. Let's start off with 5 plus, say, 2. So you go to number 5 here. Let me get this is number 5 here. And because it's plus 2, you go towards the right. 1, 2, you end up with number 7 here. 9 equals 7. Excuse me. Let's do 5 minus 2. Again, you got 5 here. Go towards the left because you're subtracting. So go 1, 2 places down, you get number 3. Okay, so now let's use negative numbers. So let's take, let's give an example of, say, -5 plus 2 and -5 minus 2. Okay. So since we've got -5 plus 2, we go to -5 here, and as it's plus, you go towards the right 2 places, 1, 2, you end up with -3. Okay, let's take -5 minus 2, so again we go to -5 here, and since it's minus here, you go 2 places backwards towards the left, 1, 2, you end up with -7. Don't forget to add the minus sign, 7. So that's a nice, easy example of how to add and subtract negative numbers. Alright, so that was an easy example where you have addition and subtracting negative and positive numbers. Let's give you a rule now. So say you have a number, call it whatever you want. This is a number plus a positive number. Okay, that means the middle here will be positive. If you have a number, I don't want to use x and y as examples just because we're not doing algebra here, but say plus a negative number, the negative overrides the positive, so the middle becomes negative. So if you have another number, say negative, so minus, let's say this number minus a negative number, the middle here becomes positive. And what's the final example? Say minus a positive number, the middle here becomes negative. So this is a rule that I want you guys to remember if you can. So positive, positive gives you positive. Positive, negative gives you negative. Negative, negative gives you positive. And negative, positive gives you negative. That's the main rule. If you guys can remember this, it should make your life a lot easier. So you guys might be confused by this rule that we've given you. A nice easy way to understand is simply by example. So let's get a pen out. Okay, so let's take say 1, which is positive, minus -4. So all you have to do is just go to the rule here. So you got the 2 minuses here. Let's see, the 2 minuses here overrides to a positive. That's the same as 1 plus 4, which is 5. Okay, let's say -4 minus, let's take a positive number, say 2, which is the same as +2. Okay, what does that come to? So look again, in the middle, minus positive. Go here, minus positive, that becomes a minus sign. So you got minus 4 minus 2 equals, again you go to the number line here, minus 4, we go towards the left 2 places, minus 6. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's give you guys a few more examples to understand what we're trying to teach you here. So here we are. We've written out a few examples for you guys. I'll say pause the video probably and see if you guys can work this out, and then replay it, and then we're gonna give you guys the answers. So hopefully by now you guys have worked it out. Let's quickly go through it. Okay, so you got minus 5 minus a negative number, minus 15. The middle, what does that become? Should be a positive here. So now you got minus 5 plus 15. Yeah, minus 5 plus 15. That should be 10. Okay. So here we got plus and plus. That's the same as plus. If you look here, plus and plus comes to a plus. So minus 12 plus 15, the answer should be, so you start with minus 12, go all the way 15 places. Minus 12 comes down to 3. Okay, you got 6 minus plus 7. The rule here, minus plus becomes a negative. So that's the same as 6 minus, 17 here. So what's the answer? Should be minus 11. 6 minus, so you start with 6 here and go 17 places towards the left, should be minus 11. And finally 2 plus positive number 2, it's the same as 2 plus 2, because you got positive, positive becomes a positive, that comes to 4. Those were just a few questions we've done. It's always better if you guys could get a few more and then go through it thoroughly. If there's any questions that you're not sure about, just leave me a message and I'll see if I can get back to you. This is only negative numbers adding and subtracting. We're going to hopefully try and make another video very soon using negative numbers to multiply and divide. Look out for it and keep following us, FM1 Tuition. Take care guys, bye bye.